In this video, you'll learn how to pause your account in Mailchimp. This process allows you to temporarily stop your marketing plan while retaining access to your account and data. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. You can do this by entering the Mailchimp URL into your web browser. Once the page loads, you will see the main dashboard, which contains various options for managing your account. Next, locate and click on your profile icon, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. This action will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Profile to access your account settings. After that, look for the Settings option in the left sidebar of the profile page. Clicking on Settings will direct you to a new screen where you can manage various aspects of your account. Once this appears, find and select Manage My Plan. This option is usually visible in the settings menu. Clicking it will take you to the page where you can view your current subscription details. Now click on the option labeled Temporarily Pause My Marketing Plan. A new message would appear informing you that while your billing will be paused, you will still have access to your account and data. However, note that you will not be able to send any emails during this period. If you are on a free plan, be aware that it cannot be paused. A message will indicate this limitation. If you are on a paid plan, proceed to confirm your action. Finally, click on the button that says Pause My Plan. This will officially pause your account. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your plan has been paused successfully. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.